This is LENOVO Tablet M9, and today I will show how you can add sticky notes to home screen on this device. So first you will need to open, your home screen, then hold your finger at any vacant spot you have, open widgets, and now we'll try to find the notes, notepad, or keep notes family of widgets. So as far as I can see, there is no such thing. So if your situation is the same, just download the Google Keep Notes application from the Play Store. So that is, or actually you can just install any other notes app that you prefer using, as long as it provides you with home screen widgets, of course. But usually you can just go for Google Keep and you'll be fine. So the app is installed. Now let's reopen the widgets menu. As you can see, the Keep Notes family of widgets appeared successfully. Now select what design you would like to go with. Place it whatever. And that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.